Let's understand how to increase website traffic for more sales. A website that attracts more visitors will definitely bring in more customers. So these are some ways to increase your website traffic. First one being website structure and speed. So websites that load quickly and save time are preferred by users. And research has shown that 79% of users won't go back to a website if they don't like its performance. Next in line is SEO. Search engine optimization is a technique for analyzing and building web pages so that they can easily be detected, analyzed, and indexed by search engines to improve their ranking. Next is PPC or pay-per-click. So PPC can increase your profits by maximizing the potential of your visitors. Next is social media marketing. You will see that social media sites dominate the first pages of Google. Hence, the conclusion being these techniques can help increase your website traffic and bring more customers to your online businesses. Thank you so much for watching. Follow us on these social media pages.